Good morning, Dr. Offit. Terry Chujitarm. I've attended several of your talks over the years, and I find them very informative and entertaining. Have you ever thought of maybe doing some social media videos with, say, Dr. Glockenflecken or anything like that?
He's funnier than me.
My question is, it's something that I run into a lot, is trying to prove the negative. You know, tell me how you would approach that. They always ask, how do I know, this vaccine won't hurt my child? Or my other child didn't get this and he's fine. Sort of like proving the negative is tough. So how do you approach it? Yeah, it is.
You can't prove the negative. That's the problem. I mean, the way that the way the scientific method works is regarding MMR and autism, that you form a null hypothesis, which is to say that MMR does not cause autism. You can either reject that hypothesis or not reject it, but you can never accept it. You can never accept the null hypothesis. So, I mean, the example that I use is, when I was a child, I used to watch the television show Superman, the one with George Reeves or Christopher Reeves. And Superman flew. He put his hands in front of him with that sort of interlocking thumb grip, and he had the cape behind him, and he looked at the city below, and he flew. So when you're 5, television doesn't lie. So I got outside in the back, stood on a small chair, and put a towel around my neck and put my hands in front of me with that interlocking thumb grip, and jumped off and didn't fly. Tried a couple times, didn't fly. Now, I could have done it 1,000,000 times. I could have done it 1,000,000,000 times. Each time I tried unsuccessfully, that would have made it all the more statistically unlikely. And that's where you are with the MMR and autism story. You've had 24 separate studies involving hundreds of thousands of children that have shown that there is not a single study that shows do the right controls, meaning control for family history, control for medical background, control for health care seeking behavior, control for socioeconomic background. So you isolate the effect of that one variable, receipt of the MMR vaccine, and every study has shown the same thing. But that doesn't make it impossible. I mean, you can't prove that I wasn't sort of transported down to this chair from an alien ship an hour before this meeting started. You can't prove that. So so try and make those analogies, I guess, is the best you can do. But that's the anti-vaccine trope. It's, yeah, sure, you're saying that, but this would happen to my child.